I'm facing the issue on a GCMS spec and it shows vial out of range. How can I fix it? I hope this is going to be an easy fix. I'll just give you my experience. When the GC says vial out of range, it means you typed in a number that it can't access. And to me, the biggest mistake people make is on a typical Agilent GC with the 7683 type autosamplers, which I got all over the place, really common out there. They have a turret, and the turret can either handle only one sample, called the transfer turret, which is only handles one sample, or it has a sample turret, which can hold up to 8 samples. Now, if you get the newest auto sampler, it does up to 16, but we're talking sort of the 7683. So it has 8 samples. Those are labeled 101 through 108. So if you type in 1 and you do not have a side tray, then it'll say vial out of range. So the numbering in the Agilent world is if you have the side tray, and by the side tray, I'm sorry, I don't have one in my backdrop right now. I'm looking at one across the lab. It's the round side tray. It holds up to 100 vials. Those positions are labeled 1 to 100. So you can't use vial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 to 100. So for the front injector, it will be 101 to 108. If you put the tower in the back, it'll be 201 to 208. So that's the secret in finding the right vial number. You can't use 1 through 100 because those numbers are taken. Even if you don't have the side tray, those numbers are taken. So that hopefully will be an easy answer. It costs you no money to fix that one.